Hey Leia users, today we're talking about editing the About section of our website. The About section is a little more simple than the other sections, so we're going to go over some things that you can do throughout all the sections. If you want more information on how to edit the individual elements, you can check out our introduction tutorial for more information on that. So let's scroll down and check out the toolbar on the bottom of the section. There's the redesign button, which you can find more information about on the header tutorial. Let's click that for a new design. Boom, we got a new About section. So moving to our right, if you want to go back to the previous design, you can click that arrow to the left, and then again you can click to go back forward, you can click that arrow to the right. So now let's say this is the one we want to work with. Now the button in the center on the bottom is our edit background button. Let's click that, see what we can do. So with the color, we have a default white by default. So we can click that and change the color. If you want, you can add a color and that'll give you a little gradient action. So the black is a little dark, so let's try a little light blue. Click done, and then you can see it left to right, white to blue. You can also make that go top to bottom. There you go, that looks pretty good. What you can also do is you can change it to an image background. So you can either browse your library to find a photo from either your phone or your computer or whichever device you're working on, or you could search on Leia for a nice image. So we're doing a coffee shop, so let's check out some coffee cups. That sounds good. Go. That looks cool. Those guys look cool. She looks cool. Oh, that looks fun. Hey, let's go with this one. Little mobile device and a couple of coffee cups. So we'll say choose image, and we're going to pull that up and say use chosen image, and that's going to place that right there in the back there. That looks pretty good. And then beyond the edit background button, you can delete the section if you don't want the About section in there. And also don't forget, in your toolbox you can always, if you upgrade to Leia Pro, you can add an element. You'd say on the right there near the bottom, it says add something. You can add an element, so you can add you can add a button or an icon. Let's say we want to add an icon, so we just got to pick where we want. Let's say we want it right underneath the title. Boom. Now we have an element added. There's our icon right there. Alrighty, so that's it for the About section. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on how to edit the other sections, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.